After we had 500 days of ban, now after more than 2 years now we have official matches, so and still we are on the way to develop the team, and I hope we can continue like this. Only this time we are really unlucky because a lot of players are missing who was normally in the starting 11. So, but we have to find solution, and the players knows, I told them from beginning. For example, Anyembe and Okumo was in build-up of our team very important. So we need to find solutions, and then one of the most important solution is that the team shows character, how they have shown in other matches too. So like in Russia, if you get this goal after some minutes and the goalkeeper is injured and you are coming back and you are even leading, so we have to show this character too also in these matches. What people from outside have to understand, we have a list around more than 50 players which we follow all the time up, and always new players coming to them, especially young players. So Dennis we followed a long time. So, and like I said, sometimes you need to find the right day for it. So now you see Colin Sheehan is out, Brian Mandela is out, Joseph Okumo is out, and now this was the day for him to come to the team, and we will decide later who will play in the end. It's not only about the talent of the players, it's also about how they fix in your system, in your football philosophy, plus character. So this all needs time. Now I think we have a team, but still we have to work on details. This means tactically, especially details, where we have to work on more, and people have to understand that if it's a national team, you have not daily training. In daily training you can solve all the problems easier. We have only short times, like you see here, we will have with a full squad only one training before we go to the match. So therefore it's not easy to put all these things together. Body.